We're moving into the month of December in the New Orleans area with some pretty active weather. Thankfully, nothing really concerning, but we do have some things happening with cold fronts and rounds of rain, and that is much needed rain with our drought. First round of rain comes late Monday evening and into Monday night. Actually, earlier today, we did have some light rain in some spots on your Sunday, but now we're looking drier for Sunday night and Monday morning. But our first round does move in late on Monday. Then we're looking for actually just cold and dry weather at the middle of the week, a light freeze north of the lake Monday morning. That's kind of the next item on our list of impacts. And then finally, Thursday and Friday, I would keep my eye on that forecast this week as you watch our forecast, because we are looking at a few rounds of rain, not the entire time Thursday and Friday, but this could bring some real true drought relief with 2 to 4 inches of rain, likely at least across some parts of South Louisiana. Whether it's right over our area, we will see, but that would really almost completely bring the drought to an end if you did get 4 inches of rain. Right now we do have clouds and kind of a dark, gloomy sort of look tonight. Cooler air is starting to move in, and we're in the 50s or lower 60s as we head into this Sunday evening with a front right along our coast. And again, that cooler air will be coming tonight. So evening temperatures just mainly in the 50s. North of the lake overnight, you're starting your Monday morning back to work and school for a lot of us in the upper 40s. South of the lake, you're starting in the 50s. And then we're warming up tomorrow only into the middle 60s. So not a huge warm up as we keep clouds around, that cooler air settles in. And then we have our rain chance later in the day. I wanted to show you our rain forecast quiet through lunchtime and into afternoon. And then here we are, especially after sunset. That's when I nudge the rain chance all the way up to about 60% or so. And that'll be the case probably past midnight and maybe into very early Tuesday morning. But I don't think commuting issues will be there for Tuesday morning. So this is our precision cast. This is our front sinking slowly to the south. You can see Monday morning, just a quiet, cloudy, cool kind of start. This is Monday afternoon. Rain is just out to our west, and now we'll fast forward to 3 p.m. and then 6 p.m. and you can see some rain. Now this particular model, you'll notice, wants to keep it all just north of Lake Pontchartrain, but some other models do have rain south of the lake, so I wanted to show you that. Here's that stationary front with a surface low, and so this setup is just going to drag this moisture over us as we get into Monday night. This is 2 a.m. on Tuesday, and then Tuesday 6, 7 a.m. around sunrise, we're dry and looking for a chilly day on Tuesday. Daytime hours may bring some sunshine, and then colder air settles in Tuesday night to get to the next item on our forecast, which was our Wednesday morning lows. Light freeze conditions north of the lake. Now this is not anything you need to worry about your pipes, but protect plants as we will probably touch freezing north of Lake Pontchartrain. Even away from the city, 37 or so and below could get some frost. So think about protecting plants if you'd like to in these locations away from the New Orleans south shore of Lake Pontchartrain and Belle Chase as well. And then near the coast, we should stay a bit warmer in the upper 40s, and the city of New Orleans likely lower 40s. Then we turn our attention to Thursday and Friday. Wednesday stays okay. It's a cool day, but no rain just yet. But look at Thursday. Here's one wave of rain, this active pattern kind of shooting these rounds of rain to us from the west and southwest Thursday afternoon. And then here's another wave potentially late Friday. So the timing, very uncertain. Models have different timing for these waves of rain on Thursday and Friday, and we're still several days out. So we'll iron that into and get a better idea pretty quickly. But as we get into Saturday, it has been looking drier. This model does take until the afternoon to get rain out, but really most of the newest model runs have kept us drier on Saturday and into Sunday. So how much rain are we talking about? Now this is just one model run, so please take this with a grain of salt. This is just a very general idea at this point. But Tuesday, this would be with the Monday night rain event already over. We may have picked up maybe a ½ inch to about an inch. Now we'll fast forward to Thursday and Friday, and look at this. Our GFS forecast wants to put in another maybe 2 to 4 inches. So if we already had up to about an inch, we're ending the week maybe with about 4 inches or so in addition to the 1 inch, or actually including the 1 inch, I really should say. So starting the week and going all the way through Saturday, these could be our rainfall totals. Not exactly where you see it, but again, just a totally general sort of idea of what we will get with that rain Thursday and Friday. We have our drought conditions in place. This would be a good thing. We don't need too much all at once. We'll have to watch in case of some street flooding issues if we do see some heavier downpours. But for now, I have a pretty high rain chance on Thursday, maybe even late Wednesday night into Thursday. And then another rain chance on Friday. Temperatures those days kind of cool, so a different kind of feel this week as we don't have 80s. And actually, we don't even have 70s in the forecast. It'll be chilly mornings, the coldest of which is Wednesday, and then rather cool afternoons, particularly Tuesday when we start to get that colder air from the Monday front settling in. Wednesday, watch out for that frost or light freeze north at the lake. Lower 40s you can see there south of the lake in the city of New Orleans and metro area. And then by Thursday and Friday, we're in the 60s. A peek ahead at next weekend. Looks okay. If that rain finishes up early Saturday, then we'll be mainly dry Saturday, looks dry Sunday, and high temperatures in the 60s with kind of cool mornings, 40s to 50s for Saturday and Sunday mornings. Many updates will be coming throughout the week.